Hello everybody, this is Stephanie from the Online Campus Writing Center, and this video is to show you how to access the Online Campus Writing Center resources. So here I am on the Chicago School homepage, and over here on the left, and I've already logged in, and over here on the left panel, you'll see my support services. So let's click there, and then Academic Support Center. Once this is opened up, we can see that there's a variety of different types of resources, but today we're focusing specifically on the Online Campus Writing Center, so we're going to select under Campus Writing Centers online. This brings us to the home page of the Online Campus Writing Center, where you'll see a variety of resources right off the bat: writing reviews, webinars, resources and tutorials, and the Student Success Program. So we're going to come back to each of these in just a moment, but I am going to scroll down a little bit. There is a little bit more information here just about who we are and what we do. So, if you're interested in learning a bit more, feel free to glance through all of the, kind of background about our mission and vision. And also, I'd like to just scroll down a bit more to show you some campus or some contact information. So our director is Dr. Heidi Marshall, and here's the email for the Writing Center if you ever would like to email directly with a question. So let's get into some of the resources. So first of all, writing reviews. The writing review is a one-on-one feedback service where students can submit their papers, whether it's a course assignment or an ongoing research project. For example, if you were doing a master's thesis or a doctoral dissertation, you can submit your documents or chapters of your documents for feedback. So there's some information here about tips and tricks to get the most out of the service. And then there's also a step-by-step guide for how to submit it. And then also some advice for how to receive critique and receive feedback on your work. If you need a little bit more information about what to expect in terms of policies, there's information here. And then at the very bottom, there are bios for each of the staff members. So if you want to know a little bit more about who the people are who are giving you feedback and where they're coming from, you can have a look at that. So this is a fantastic resource. Not all instructors give the same types of feedback. So this is one way to get in-depth, consistent feedback on writing specifically, as opposed to content, which most of your instructors will focus on. I'm going to go back to the homepage here, and I'm going to select webinars next. Each semester, the Online Campus Writing Center provides a variety of webinars. So we can see that there have already been several webinars this fall, and there are a couple more that are yet to come. So please do check into these webinars. If you're wanting to see one that's already happened, you can click on the webinar itself, and from there you're able to log in or sign up for it and then watch the recording of it. Or if there's an upcoming one, let's see here, we have one October 30th. Let's say you want to do the Advanced APA one. You can select that and you can sign up for it. So by signing up for it, then you can attend it live and in real time. So if you have questions or want to be interactive with it, you can. Alrighty. So I'm going to go back again to that home page and move on to resources and tutorials. So this is sort of like a one-stop shop for all sorts of different kinds of writing resources, whether you're looking at pre-writing and kind of generating ideas, or if you're looking at grammar or punctuation concerns, organization, synthesis, APA citations, references, and formatting, plagiarism, research writing, and then resources for multilingual students. So just to give you an idea of what things look like, let's go into the APA citations one just to give you an idea. So you can see there's different areas where there's more information. So you can definitely check out those resources. And one really cool resource under the plagiarism one is there is actually a plagiarism checker. So you could turn in a course assignment here. If you've ever gotten feedback from an instructor that your Turnitin score is too high, you can submit a document here to get feedback to see what your similarity score is. So you want to keep your similarity score in the green zone, and that would give you some feedback about if you need to paraphrase better, or if you need to cite better, or if you're using too many direct quotes, for example. And then lastly, we have the Student Success Program, which basically is just, it's sort of like a self-guided class that you can opt into that will walk you through a lot of different kinds of resources. So you can kind of see the topic areas that are here. So if you think that you would benefit from any of these resources, you can opt into these classes, and you do get feedback from Online Campus Writing Center staff as you progress through those. So it's kind of a little bit more interactive than completely self-guided, but it's not like signing up for a class where you have regular assignments that you have to do. So hopefully this video has walked you through the primary resources of the Online Campus Writing Center to let you know that we are here for you at all times, and we are willing to support you on your academic journey and help you become the strongest writers possible. Thanks so much for listening.